Okay, good day everyone. So today we are going to analyze your data from your survey questionnaire. So here is the things that you are going to do in your data or your survey questionnaire data. Now, you are going to plug in Microsoft Excel because we are not using SPSS as of now. So we are using the basic analysis of the data. We are using Microsoft Excel with the data analysis toolpath. Okay? So the first you things that you are going to do is plug in. So plug in yung lahat ng mga result no. For example, nagawan ko na ng sample ito. So this is an example of my for presentation purposes only. Okay, so respondents niyo, ilist niyo tong respondents 1. Huwag ninyong ilista dito yung respondents yung name, okay? So in analyzing your data, you are going to assume the variable in that you are going to analyze. For example, respondents, si Juan serve as respondents number 1, si Jose respondents number 2, and then si Santa Cruz we have respondents number 3, and so on and so forth. So up to 10 lang niya, pero sa inyo you are dealing with 30 or how many depende sa inyong sampling technique nga gigamit. Okay, so kung pila kabuk ang inyong gikuha nga respondents. Now, you are going to plug also here the question 1 of your questionnaire. Question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4. Ayan. So, up to question, ilan yung question nandun sa yung survey questionnaire. So, this is only a basic of your research, okay? As long as you have an idea how to analyze and how to interpret your data. Kasi pag ganun lang data na-receive, so anong ibig sabihin nito, sir? Strongly agree ang answer, mostly agree. So, how can we interpret this by using statistics? So, today, we're going to do that in our lesson. Now, you're going to plug in the question 1, question 2, up to how many question, okay? So, hindi lang question 5. This is just an example. So, abotan nyo dito, abot mo question 15. Kamo na'y bahala kung depende sa inyong nasa inyong survey questionnaire. And then, sa katapusan, ibutan ninyo ang mean at saka ang interpretation. Okay? So, mean at saka ang interpretation. And then, diri is, we have this, diri po sa ubos, katapusan, ibutan po ninyo ang mean at saka interpretation. Kasi, magamit na, muna ang mga importante kayo niya. Okay? No? So, muna, after that, kung unsa ang mga ma-result diari, so we are going to interpret that one. Okay? And then, after that, from, isa-isahon ninyo, from respondents 1, or katong si respondents 1 ninyo, aon sa iyahang answer sa question 1. So, agree, or depende sa inyong scale nga gigamit dito. Question 1 niya kay strongly agree. Ang iyang question 2, disagree. Question number 3, agree. Question number 4, strongly agree. So, yun yung mga anong tawag doon? Yun yung mga sagot, okay? Yun yung mga result niya sa sasagot doon sa inyong survey questionnaire. Okay? And so on and so forth, si respondents, so up to respondents and or pila kabuk inyong respondents. After you plug in statistics, we are not going to analyze this one as this one. No? We are going to assume everything. So, kung for example, butang na to diari ang inyong ibutang na to diari ang inyong strongly agree is butang na to inyo is 5. Okay, for example, 5. And then we have ano pang next? We have agree. Okay, sorry. Okay, you have agree is butang na to 4. And then we have you have disagree. You have 3, and then you have strongly disagree. You have 2. Pero kung for example, apat lang ang yung scale, so pwede natin 4, 3, 2, 1. So, pwede din. Kung 5, pwede 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Depende sa inyo, okay? So, pwede na ganito, okay? So, atong ilisdan or atong i-change ang mga naa-di-ari. For example, strongly agree. So, ang inyong gibutang is 4. So, atong ilisdan og 4 nga number, tanan. So, saan ni siya? Just click Control G. Ay, hindi. Control F. Ayan. Control F. And then, makita nyo itong replace. Just click it, replace. Okay? And then, type strongly agree. Kung ano yung na-type nyo dito, yun ang ilagay nyo. Okay? Unahon na itong replace si strongly agree. And then, ang yung strongly agree, assume with 4. So, butang natin 4. So, click. Then, after that, replace all. Just click replace all. Okay. So, lahat ng mga strongly agree is napalitan ng 4. Okay? Next, we have agree. Ayan, agree. Agree na naman ang i-type natin. So, we have 3. Okay. Then, click replace all. And then, ayan. Okay. So, nganong this 3 ni siya, kay tungod ang agree kay atong gilisdan og 3. So, kani siya, so pwede na nato ni ilisdan og kung sa may disagree, we have 2. So, pwede na nato ilisdan 2. Ayan, 2, 2. So, pwede na nato na ilisdan as mano-mano. Pero pwede ra gyapon maging ato. Pero ang inyong i-input is ang this 3, ilisdan ninyo og 2. Ayan, so wala tayong disagree, no? So, ato ning center natin para makita natin lahat. Okay, ito na. So, by this one, we are now going to interpret this one. Okay? So, first respondents. Pwede natin unahin dito. So, sa question 1, kuha na to ang mean. So, ang pagkuha sa mean, sir? Okay, ang mean na to is, kay mo na inyo one of your sa result and discussion mo na magamit ninyo ang mean. Okay, pwede na to sa question 1. Kuha na to ang mean, just type equal sign. And then just type average word, then open parentheses, and then drag all of this one, okay? And then close parentheses, and then click enter. So the mean of the question 1 is 3.4. Now, unsa na to ni siya pag-interpret? Now, naama mo yung Likert scale kato inyong akong gi-require sa inyong Likert scale description. For example, sa inyong survey question na inyong Likert scale description is, for example, we have 1.0 to 1.9. Okay. Ang meaning ana is, for example, disagree. Unsay description ana niya, basta na siya description ana, okay? Naagi ni siya dapat, okay? Dapat makita na ko ni siya sa kaning Likert scale description ninyo is makita na ko ni siya sa statistical treatment of data of your chapter 3. Dapat na ni siya, kay kung wala ni siya, dili na mo maka-interpret ani, kay dili mo magpataka og interpret kung wala dito sa inyong survey questionnaire gikan kung asa to gi-adapt ninyo. So, dapat, for example, 1.0 to 1.9, ang iyang description, depende kung ano sa iyang description diha, disagree, strongly disagree, o pwede natin, strongly disagree, okay, pwede natin yan, o blah, 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 kung napanay sumpay diha, and then, for example, 2.0 to 2.9. Okay, for example, na. So, we have disagree of churba chuchu, ana. Okay? Depende sa inyo, ana. And then, we have 3 point and so on and so forth. We have 3.0 to 3.9 agree. And then, we have 4.0 to ayan na lang natin. So, 3. Putang natin dito, mga 3.5 lang to, 3.5. And then, we have But 3.51 up to 4.0 kasi 4 lang yung ano. So strongly, utang natin, strongly agree. Sorry. So we have strongly agree. Okay, ayan. So, natin. Now, kung saan siya pag-interpret? So, we have 3.4 man siya. So, 3.4. So, nasa diary na bracket. So, meaning to say, agree. So, ang inyong pag-interpret, agree of katong, kung naisumpay na dito sa inyong Likert scale description. So, importante kay ito siya, kay mo to siya magamit ninyo to read this statistical result. No? In a statistics, you have the number, and then you are going to interpret. So, na kay dapat based sa inyong description. Okay? I hope na masabtan kayo na. And then, so pagkuha na po nato ni og sa question 2 nga mean, so dili na ta magbalik-balik atong average ato. So just kikita mo aning small. So pag mag-plus na siya, just drag it. Ayan. And then everything is plug in. Okay? So automatically na siya makuha na ang iyahang average sa kana siya nga question. Okay? So, muna na siya ang mga results. So, tanawon na lang ninyo dito kung sa ang mga meaning 3.2. So, meaning 3.2. Ayan, diligyapon sa agree. 2.9. So, nasa disagree. Ayan. So, kamo na ang bahala na. Okay? Magbutang sa description. And then, same with diri sa PICAS, we have ang mean na to. So, just type equal sign. Just type also average. Open parentheses, and then drag all in respondents 1 question result. Ayan. And then, close parentheses and click enter. And then, i-click natin pababa para makopy lang siya yung mga formula natin. So, respondents 1, ang iyang mean, we have 3.2. It means that, so inyong result discussion, you are going to have in, kung gusto nyo i-explore, okay, by the question number we are going to have in question number 1, the mean suggests the mean 3.4 suggested that on sa tong description, no? So na may mga pwede ma-discuss dito sa chapter 4 if you are having this one, okay? And then we have interpretation. So, kabalo naman muna na akong gitudlo ganiha, okay? 3.2 kung asa siya nga bracket na belong, and then you are going to interpret that one. And then, this is very important also here. So, ipadayon na to di ari. No, this is wrong. Okay. Saban na to. So, we have, kay kanin siya nga mean di ari. Okay, mean na ni siya. So, kung kuhaon na to ang mean, ang average tanan, so kung pwede is just type equal and then you have average natin, and then open parentheses, just click all this one. Ayan, and then close parentheses, and then click, ayan, enter. And then ang atoang kuan is nanata sa 3.18. So overall, the mean is 3.18. So muna ni ang inyuhang maka-answer dito sa inyuhang SOP or the statement of the problem. For example, ang inyong statement of the problem number 1 nga nag-ingon dito, what is the level of the level of the for example, perception of learning. For example, inyuhang number 1 is perception of learning mathematics in distance learning. So, so dito sa inyo ang discussion number 4, imo na ninyo the level of the perception of the learning mathematics in distance learning is 3.18. It means that, sa meaning anang 3.18, ganon. So, may mga pwede ma-elaborate. Then, support that one, mangita mo og review literature about ana nga study. So, to support the result. Okay? So, ingana na siya pagbuhat sa tuang chapter 4. To support that one, to support. So, ang to support lang yun ana is mangita mo og review literature. And then, ayan. So, okay na ta sa kasagaran mo gud sa inyong study is ingani siya na survey questionnaire and then so what is the level of the basta katong about sa inyong survey questionnaire ganito lang siya, okay? Next we have sa inyong question, for example, what inyong question number 2 is, ang question number 1 ninyo is, for example, what is the level of the perception of the learning mathematics in distance learning? Okay, perception of learning mathematics in distance learning modality. Okay, pwede na ito, modality. Ayan. And then we are going to have this, number 2, you have, number 2 is, what is the level, okay ha? What is the level of the academic, or what is the level of the, what is the level of the mathematics. Ayan. So, mathematics grade in, sa may inyong ikuan diha sa inyo ha, okay? And then number 3 ninyo is, di ba, for example lang niya, there is ano yun is there is significance ba? Significance relationship between between the mathematics and the learning is siya dito. So kani siya is ma-answer ni siya sa kaning ang first is na-answer na nato mo ni siyang 3.18. So and then number 2 so na siya pag answer. So for example na natay sa imong respondents 1 ang iyang math grade kay 85 na si kuan na. So, kuha po na ito ang mean ani. Ang mean na to is equal sign, average, and then open parentheses. We have drag all the math grade, close parentheses, and then enter equal. So, we have 84.7. Okay, to analyze this one, to project this one is, please refer to DepEd order. Okay, pangita atong DepEd order nga nag-ingon nga from 80 katugong description of grade. For example, 85 to 88 man siguro to. Hindi ko sure pero kamo nay pangita ato. 85 to 88 na siya description. Okay, na siya academically description. Okay, academic description sa inyong so pangita to siya nga DepEd order na siya DepEd order. I don't think 2012 ba na siya, napita 2000, hindi ko sure. Pangitaan niyo to siya, kay mo to is mo support niyo sa question number 2. Okay, for example, 80, we have 84.7. It means that, yun? Okay, the level of the mathematics is 84.7. It means that, that's from the stage from the different order number so mas maayo man gud na mo siya parang strong support niya. Pag ang iyong gi-support is very strong, that means that your research is something good and very very ethical to make the result of your discussion or your research. It means that if you have a recommendation or in your conclusion, it means that there is may ethical impact siya. So gibutangan ko siya part B, mean of SQ. Saan na siya? So i-copy lang nato ni just copy it in here. So ayan. So hindi siya magre-ref kasi may naka-formula yan. So paano na yan? So hindi natin pwede i-copy paste na lang ng basta-basta, okay? So just erase natin to. Ayan. So, i-copy na lang nato 3.2. Ha? 3.2. Ayan. So, pag mabilis, ito na lang. Equal sign. Just click it. And then, enter. Ayan. And then, go on and so forth. Ayan. Drag na natin para mas mabilis. Ayan. So, same na sila ganito dito. Tama ba? Okay. Same na sila. So, okay. How to To answer number 3, kung nabay significance sa relationship or wala, or to answer your person R, you are or inyuhang kung unsa ang ilang relationship, okay? So, for example, you are going to have your significance also or to find the person R or ato ang R, correlation R. So kung sa SPSS mo tatong gamiton is katong descriptive correlation and descriptive statistics. Pero kung Microsoft Excel ta, atong gamiton is ang regression para makita na to ang significance manggod, okay? Although ang ato ang pakay di ari is ang correlation, ngano magamit tag regression dito manggod mo result ang person R or correlation R ug ang ato ang significance value, okay? So atong gamiton is ang regression lang. So ato mo sa inyong Microsoft Excel, ato sa mo sa file, and then pangita ang options, and then pag mugawa sa ni add to sa add-ins, and then pangita ang dito ay i-click ang go, and then i-click ning duha analysis toolpath and analysis toolpath VBA, sorry, and then just click OK. Okay, and then click natin ang data is namugawas na ning data analysis. Pag wala man gud nimo na click tong duha is walay mo gawas diriting data analysis. Pag maklik nimo tong duha, okay, that's the time nga mo gawas na ning data analysis. Okay, magsugod na taog analyze, okay? Just click data analysis and then find regression. Just click okay. And then i-reason sa nato ni para makita ninyo giyon sa gyud pag-plot. Okay, ang inyong Y range, you have your dependent variable. So yung dependent variable natin is yung mean of survey questionnaire, okay? So you have this one, or ano ba ang dependent, mag-dependent bang yung survey questionnaire? So survey questionnaire, yes, tama. So yung survey questionnaire mo kasi yung sa example ko is yung correlation of the perception of the students in learning mathematics in a distance learning modality. So dapat ang ako ang dependent variable yan is yung yung sa survey questionnaire ko. Okay? And then ato ang dependent variable is ang ato ang math grade. So sorry, balikon sa nato. I-appeal na to ning label. And then, we have ang X natin, ibali na ito yung label po sa baba. Just drag it. Then just click labels and click confidence level. And then, ayun na nahilabti ng sa ubos kay higher math regression na multiple regression na magamit. So, ginagamit na siya for mathematicians and other modeling property of mathematics. Okay, now, diri ta i-click na to ng output kay diri lang, gusto lang diri lang na to na ibutan. Ayan, just click this. Andito, diri na lang ta. Plug okay na tanan, just click okay. Ayan na result. Okay, now ato ang R, atong person R is kani. So the person R here or R is equal to 0.15. Ayan. So 0.15 or that is 15%. So medyo kung variability ng atong usapan, dili na siya magamit ang itong variability kay dito na sa inyo ang regression yun. Katong gipagamit ako og regression. Pero kung correlation R lang, it means that ang R natin is positively correlated, no? So it means that dili siya strong jud siya, di ba? Naman po ni magamit na po mo atong description, di ba? From 0.0 to 0.15 unsa to siya poorly correlated. Nato siya next is 0.16 to 0.25. It means ang iyang description is moderately correlated. So mangita mo ana sa dagan kani sa internet pag search mo ana about correlation, 0 point or sa inyong statistics sa una. Okay, about correlation, na-discuss na ko na. And then okay, mo na sa R point, so it means that moderately correlated na for example, ngani siya, kung ang iyang description sa inyo ang gibasihan dito is moderately correlated, ang inyong pagbasa na R is equal to 0.15 is moderately correlated. It means that Positively ha, positively, moderately, positive, moderately, correlated. O kamo na bahala unsa ninyo. Basta positive siya kasi positive yung R natin. So kung positive gani ang atong R, it means that kung mutaas ang isa, mutaas ang isa pod. So diri ang meaning ana is pero moderately siya ha, dili siya strong. So kung unsa ang iyang impact sa pagtaas sa isa, dili kayo pod kadako ang impact sa isa nga pagtaas. So ana kay positive man siya. For example, kung dako siya og grado, it means that dako-dako pod ang iyang perception sa learning modality in learning mathematics. So nasabtan? So we have kung mubaba ang iyang grade, it means that mubaba pod ang iyahang perception in learning mathematics. So anaon ang pag-answer sa inyong R o unsay buot pasabutan ng R. Okay? So, ang inyong i-copy is kanilang summary, summary, butangin nyo dito summary, i-listdan lang yun eh. We have correlation, descripted correlation statistics. Pwede nyo, descripted. Okay, pwede i-listdan nyo descripted. Ayan na to. So, pwede nyo i-list din descriptive statistics. Pwede nyo i-listdan. Descriptive statistics. And then, just copy this one. Ayan. So, muna na i-copy ninyo sa inyong Word. For example, dito sa inyong kwan, kay magamit man eh. So, muna i-copy. So, ayan na. So, pwede na ninyo i-transfer dito. Okay? Muna ninyong i-copy-paste dito serve as your summary result sa inyong Next, we have ANOVA. So, sa ANOVA natin is ito, i-copy ni siya gyud kani siya, i-copy ninyo ni siya. So, the significance value natin ganyan. So, i-copy ninyo ni siya kasi ANOVA, i-copy ninyo ni dito to answer your example. Dito na mo, for example, dito na mo sa inyohang question number 3 or the research question number 3 kung nabay significance. So, unsaon na siya is, di ba, 0.05. So, kung ano ni siya ha? Okay, so muna na siya, copy-paste, dali balik. Okay. Kung ang significance value nato, kung ang F nato is less than, ano tong less than natin dito, less than 0.05, you are going to reject the null hypothesis. It means that there is significance relationship between unsa man to dito between chorba-chorba na dito. So muna ihang pagbasa. Pero kung ang F nato is greater than or equal to 0.05, you are going to accept the null hypothesis, and then there is no significance relationship between chorba-chorba. So, anaw na siya pagbasa. Okay? And then, anaw niyo dito. With the significance, kamo na bahalag explain dito. Basta anaw na siya ha. So, dire significance F ninyo, nato di ari is 0.65, which means greater than 0.05. So, reject the null hypothesis. Okay? Ay, no. Accept the null hypothesis. Sorry. Accept the null hypothesis. Then you are your description or your sa inyong null sa inyong hypothesis is, or dito sa inyong chapter 4 nito sa result and discussion, you are going to deal with this the result of your or the answer of your SOP number 3. Na there is no significance. Kay greater than man siya or equal to 0.5. So, greater than man siya, okay, so 0.05, which is your significance level, you are accept the null hypothesis. Okay? Okay? So, that's all for today for the Pearson R analysis. That will be all. Thank you.